Hey, good afternoon, guys. Brett Hartzler here with Dutchmen Kodiak. I wanted to show you one of our floor plans that we have out here at Noteboom RV in beautiful Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Today I want to show you sort of feature benefit with you guys, our Kodiak brand, but also this brand new 296Bhsl Kodiak Ultra-Lite floor plan as well. Very unique couple or bunkhouse coach that we have in our lineup for this year, and just wanted to highlight some exterior features on this coach. One thing that you'll always find on our Kodiak brand for all floor plans is that we put on the biggest baggage doors, but notice how they're the same size baggage doors even on your off door side to have that full accessibility to your storage even on your off door side as well. We do utilize an 8-foot LED light strip in your pass-through just to have it a little bit more well lit versus a push button light that you may typically see as well. A nice standard feature on our Kodiak lineup as well. We do everything standard with power stabilizers and a power tongue jack that you'll find on every Kodiak segment and floor plan that we build as well. Something that makes Kodiak very unique and different is our all bonded aluminum frame construction. So you guys will find that if you want to walk back here. Our rear walls will be all aluminum framed and bonded for that nice toughness, lightweight durability, and also our slide out end walls as well. So this is something that really makes our product unique and different versus the competitors in the industry. So again, nice tight or nice tough, lightweight, durable construction we'll have. This floor plan here only weighs in about 6,000 pounds for a 29-foot coach within your box. You're overall about 33-foot hitch to bumper on this coach. So really nice, lightweight, durable construction for being 6,000 pounds on this floor plan. If you want to go inside, we'll check out some cool features on the inside on this floor plan. So interior, as you walk into our Kodiak 296Bhsl Ultra-Lite, within this floor plan here, we really want to point out the uniqueness of it. So it is a double over double bunk floor plan, but it is a bunk room floor plan as well. So it's actually closed off by a 36-inch wide pocket door versus a lot of guys that use a 28-inch pocket door. So the bunk room's completely closed off. The kids can have their privacy if the adults are hanging out here, which is nice. You will also have some wardrobe storage as well within the bunk room, which is super nice for a little bit more storage. Within your main living room area here, we have direct placement of your entertainment center. Nice thing about your entertainment center, you actually have a hidden pantry behind there just to incorporate some more storage within this floor plan as well. You will have standard fireplace on this floor plan as well, which that there will just provide a little bit more heat, but also give you a little bit more of that homey feel as well within your floor plan. Like I said, direct placement of your entertainment center, so right across from your couch, you can kick back and relax on those rainy days, which is super nice to have as well. All of our windows that we utilize, they're all functional windows, so even your big slide out end walls, they're all functional. A lot of guys use a fixed window, but they're also all tinted glass windows versus a clear glass window that you may typically see as well. We do utilize night roller shades on all of our windows versus a lot of competitors that may use a pleated shade. So a little bit better functionality on those versus your pleated shade. As we go back to our aluminum frame construction, even our interior roof is all bonded. So toughness, durability, that is something very unique to our Kodiak brand, the way we construct everything for our customer. Also that you'll find over here is our oversized convertible U-shaped dinette. So right now it's set up in the U-shaped position, but you can actually remove that rear seat and cushions, move your center post to the outer pedestal there, and transition your table so you can have a booth dinette as well. So you can have both configurations for the customer depending on how they want their booth set up. Full extension drawer guides versus a lot of guys that use a cabinet door. So again, a little bit better and easier access to what you're storing underneath your dinette seats. If we move over here into the kitchen, some things that I like to highlight and feature and benefit. We do all hardwood cabinet doors and drawers versus guys that do a particle wrap board. So again, a little bit better quality, durability within your coach here on this as well. Stainless steel farm style sinks we utilize. So on here, definitely a lot more durable and more residential versus a plastic sink that you may typically see. If we move in here to our bathroom, we do, on this floor plan, we utilize a 30 by 36 inch shower, which is super nice. A little bit better functionality versus maybe a tub or a corner shower, something like that. And then also here in the master bedroom, we do utilize a full or a true queen 60 by 80 queen bed versus a 60 by 74 bed. So here you actually have your full comfort, full length, but you can also bring your sheets from home versus having to get custom fitted sheets. So if you guys have any further questions, be sure to check out noteboomrv.com or hop on our website at dutchmenrv.com as well to check out some other floor plans that we offer within our Kodiak product line as well. But thank you guys for your time today, and hope that you'll check us out soon.